Wow! Today I will test this. Can aluminum foil make Wi-Fi better? Many people say this word, but it's true. Let's find out. First, no foil. I use this website. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, my friend, you can see result, download speed and upload speed. Test 2. As you can see, signal strength here. Okay, now test with foil. Wow, can you see this is result with foil? As you can see, with foil, and this is result without foil. As you can see, signal is better. Okay, the foil didn't magically double my Wi-Fi speed, but the signal and speed a little better. Please like and subscribe and comment opinion.